So in some cases in geometry, you are given the area and you are told to find a missing length of something, whether it be base or height. Now in a triangle, we are given two problems here, and we are given the area, but in one example we are going to look for the base length, and the other we are going to look for the height. And those are missing to us. So let's look at problem 1. We have, we're looking for the base length, and our area is 26 centimeters squared, and our height is 8 centimeters. So our B is unknown. If you want to, we can go ahead and draw a picture, and it doesn't matter which triangle, as long as you draw it and label it correctly. So I'm just going to make this easy for us down here. So we have, I'm just going to make it a right triangle. So we have a height of 8, base we don't know, and area equals 26. So if this helps you visualize it, then go ahead and draw it. Now we're going to use the numbers we do have and plug it into our formula. So we have area, which is 26, equals 1/2 base times height. So B times 8. Okay, so algebraically, to undo this, 1/2 being multiplied here, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2, so multiply 26 by 2, we get 52 equals B times 8, or 8B. And now we're going to divide by 8, right, on both sides to get our final base length. And you can use a calculator for this if you want. So B equals 6.5. Now it's not always going to come out to an integer value, and that's okay. So in this case, our base length down here is 6.5 centimeters. Don't forget to label it. And that is how to find the base length when you are given the area and height. Now, take a look over here. We're going to do something very similar, but now we are looking for the height. So our base is 12 meters, our area is 108 meters squared, and our H is unknown. I'm going to draw a picture. You can do another right triangle, that way it's easy for you if you end up drawing something different. I'll just show you an example. So our base is 12, our area is 108, and our height is unknown. Our height in this case is not one of the sides, but it is this dashed line right in the middle. And this is our H, which is unknown. So now we're going to use what we do know and plug it into our formula. So our area, 108, equals 1/2 base times height, so 12 times H. So in this case, I'm going to show you a little bit different way to go about this. So you can multiply by the reciprocal or multiply by 2 on both sides to get rid of the 1/2, just like we did over here. Or, I don't really feel like multiplying 108 by 2 and then dividing it, so I'm going to show you a different way. So instead of, we're going to leave the 108 the same, and instead we're going to multiply the 1/2 by 12H. The H is just going to stay because it's a variable, but 1/2 times 12, or 1/2 of 12, is 6 times H, or 6H. Okay, and you could have done that over here as well. If you took 1/2 of 8, it would have been 4. 26 divided by 4 would still give you 6.5. So on this side we have 108 equals 6H. We are solving for H. If we divide by 6, we end up getting 18 equals H. So if that's the case, back to our triangle, H equals 18 meters. Make sure you label your units. And that's how you solve for the height.